I have been receiving the questions on how can you know about your Chinese name or what is your name in Chinese. Does this question also runs in your mind? Or simply you also want to know your name, what is your name in Chinese? If you do, so come with me until the end of this video because I am going to run you through the top 13 names. Just give you a background on the difference between Chinese name and English names. English names are being structured with starting with the first name and followed by your last name. While in Chinese, the last name comes first, then followed by your first name. Okay, let's start with girls' names first. The first name is Alisa, 艾丽莎 and Ada, Ada. And next is Amy, Amy. And next is Alice, 爱丽丝 Amanda, 阿曼达 Andrea, 安德利亚 Anna, 安娜 Angela, 安吉拉 Bella, 贝拉 Linda. This name is, I think is Spanish name, right? Linda means beautiful. I think I heard about this name before from Spanish friends. She told me her name means, the meaning about her name is beautiful. So Linda, translate to Chinese is Linda. The pronunciation is similar. And next is Lisa, 丽莎 And next is Olivia, 奥利维亚 艾玛 艾玛 Next is Abby, 艾薇 Mary, 玛丽 Sophia, 索菲亚 Elizabeth, 伊丽莎白 Jennifer, 詹妮弗 Johanna, 乔安娜 So, is your name of the ones we have mentioned. If your name is not here, then please type your name on the comment section below so that we can help you know your Chinese name. Okay, now let's go with men Chinese names. Let's start with James, 詹姆斯 and Robert, 罗伯特 John, 约翰 Michael, 麦克 William, 威廉 David, 大卫 Charles, 查尔斯 Thomas, 托马斯 Henry, 亨利 Daniel, 丹尼尔 Justin, 贾斯汀 Matthew, 马修 Anthony, 安东尼 Mark, 马克 Paul, 保罗 Jacob, 雅各布 Andrew, 安德鲁 Kevin, 凯文 Okay, so what have you learned? If your name is not here, don't worry. You can tap your name on the comment section below. We will help you to know about your Chinese name. Okay, so what have you learned? How can this apply into your daily conversations? let me know your comment below. If this video has helped you, please give us a thumbs up. And if you know anyone will benefit from this video, please share this video to them so that we can help more and more students on their Chinese learning goal. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please hit the subscriber bell button below so that we can help you on your Chinese learning journey. If you like this video, or if you have any suggestive topics you want to watch in our next videos, you can type it into our comments section below, because we will create for you. And I will see you in our next videos. 再见。